Hello students, welcome to your biology class. In the last class where we discussed about the biodiversity introduction and briefly description about the biodiversity. So today we proceed the level or we can say type of the biodiversity. So I hope you may understand what you mean of diversity, different types of the living organism on the earth surface. This is the meaning of biodiversity. So the scientifically diagram what kind of we have written means biodiversity is regarding about the biological diversity which start from the ranging of micromolecules of the cell to the biome. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ದ ಒಳಗಿದ್ದಿಂದ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಎ ಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ತನ ಬರೋದು ಏನು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಯೋಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. Right, this definition we have seen, and very important it is conservation point. We have to conserve it, right? So in the yesterday class, in the previous class we have seen what topic to be understand, what topic to be studied in the chapter biodiversity. So one of the topic of the biodiversity, that is the meaning of level of biodiversity. The level is nothing but different type of biodiversity, so we can understand the diversity at genetic level. So student, what do you mean genetics? In our previous chapters, one of the chapter we have studied principle of inheritance and variation, one of the chapter of genetics. So principle of inheritance and variation, where we studied about the genetic, how the character are transforming from parents to the offspring. That is the meaning of genetics. So we can see here each and every individual of a species. There are a number of the species. There is another one type of the diversity that is there. Okay, fine. But in the species also, single individual has its own different genetic makeup. That is the level of what? Genetic diversity. Say for example, in a family, suppose parent having 4 children, all of 4 children are different in their appearance, different in their structure, different in their behavior and character. So the genetic start, the first level is what? At their chromosome, at their gene, hence the level is what? Genetic level or genetic diversity. So genetic diversity shows by a single species at a genetic level. As I told you now only, definition is right here is, but before the definition I told you that this species also having the diversity, but in a species each and every individual has different genetic makeup, hence the diversity at what level? Genetic level. Now to understand, to give this authentic evidence on the genetic diversity, we have an example, that is the Rolfia vomitoria. It's in a plant. Rolfia vomitoria, it's a plant. This is a structure, you may see this structure. Rolfia vomitoria is a plant structure which found in a Himalaya nalli siruvantaha gida, right? In this plant show genetic variation in potency and concentration of the chemical reserpine. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ, this is one ಗಿಡ, ಈ ಗಿಡದ ಹೆಸರು, right? This is a plant were found, majorly it is found in the Himalaya region. In Himalaya region this plant is going to be found, and number of the plants are there. The speciality of this plant, once again, okay, so the plant name is Rolfia vomitoria, which found in the Himalaya region. The features, a important feature of the plant is to, it is going to produce, synthesize and a chemical, the name is reserpine. This chemical is produced by each and every plant of this which found in the Himalaya, and the point to be note here, what is that means, each and every plant chemical is different in potency and concentration. All the plant are named same, all plant are same, and the production is also same, that is the reserpine chemical, but in the chemical potency and concentration is differ from plant to the plant. This is the concentration and potency of this chemical of that plant depend on the genetic constitution of that plant. Hence, the diversity, you may find the variety of the plant, the variety of the reserpine plant based on what? The genetic constitution. Hence, it is the what? Genetic diversity. One of the example. Next slide. Now, same genetic diversity. One more example. India has more than 50,000 different strains of rice. Single India country shows rice ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ರೈಸ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ರೈಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾವುದದು ಎಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ we here know one two example one that is the basmati sona masari hmt like this but India country single India country shows 50,000 more than 50,000 species of the what rice then more than 1,000 variety of mango. This is the mango season. Which mango we are eating here? One or two example we know Daseri, Totapari, Venishan which found in our Bidar. right? यही आम खा रहे हैं ना आजकल बट इंडिया में ऐसे कितने वैरायटी के आम है बोले तो more than 1,000 variety of mango which we don't know. Okay, so these are the some pictures, some photos of the mango which found in India. This is what because of this is the level what genetic level and this is the example of rice which are there. What you have to write this lining only, no need to draw this. Next slide. Now the third level, sorry, the second level of the biodiversity is nothing but second type of the biodiversity, that is the what? Species diversity. Now in species diversity, diversity at the species level. Now tell me what do you mean species? The species means an individual of a group, individual of a group of the category of the living organism, that is the meaning of species, which can interbreed themselves, which can produce fertile offspring, that is the meaning of a species. So in the species, the variety of the diversity you have found. For example, Western Ghat have a greater amphibian species, amphibia frog. The same place, single place Western Ghat shows variety of the amphibian species diversity than the Eastern Ghats. So in the map you may see here this is the Eastern Ghat and this is the Western Ghat. So greater diversity of amphibian in the Western Ghat compared to the Eastern Ghat, right? And this is the few pictures of the amphibians. What shows all are same species, but in them having quite variation. Hence the diversity at what level? Species level. And the example is Western Ghats show amphibian diversity more compared to the Eastern Ghats. Next. Now the third level or third type of the biodiversity, that is the what? Ecological diversity. So here the meaning of ecology itself tell place, habitat, where on this earth surface we are going to find a different type of ecology, different type of habitat, different type of places where biotic and abiotic factor should be present, then only it is considered as a ecological factor, and in that diversity is known as ecological diversity. So here diversity at ecosystem level, which also considered as a diversity at ecosystem level. For example, in India, desert is a type of the habitat. Desert is there. Rainforest, mangroves, coral reef, wetland, estuaries, alpine meadows and sea are seen. So these are the different. Now in picture also you can see different type of the habitat, different type of the places found in the India, where this different habitat also considered as a one of the biodiversity, and that to consider as a ecological diversity, you have to write this line only. Don't write line in the line only. Example is given. Okay. So I hope you people understand today's class. The remaining portion will be continued in our next class. Thank you.